Have you ever encountered a situation in your business where individual success or standing out was discouraged and caused more issues than celebration? This tendency aligns with a Scandinavian concept known as the Law of Jante. The Law of Jante is a cultural concept in Nordic countries that discourages individual success and achievements in favor of collective group goals and accomplishment. This principle has a great impact on how organizations operate all over the world concerning cultural diversity among people from different cultures and countries working next to each other in multinational organizations or communities. Hi, my name is Ali Gudarzi, a serial entrepreneur and a business mentor. I've seen how understanding and navigating these principles can be crucial in managing team dynamics and promoting a healthy organizational culture. The Law of Jante consists of a set of principles that collectively suggest that individual success and achievements are not to be highlighted. It promotes the idea that no one is better than the group, and individual accomplishments should not be a cause for personal pride or distinction. In a business context, this can manifest as a cultural resistance to individuals who seek to stand out or who are perceived as not conforming to the collective norms of the organization. In companies where the Law of Jante is influential, there is often a strong emphasis on unity and teamwork. While this can foster a sense of unity and collective effort, it may also suppress innovation, risk-taking, and personal initiative. Recognizing this can help leaders balance the need for teamwork with the encouragement of individual creativity and excellence. Leaders in organizations influenced by the Law of Jante face the unique challenge of encouraging individuals' excellence without disrupting group harmony. It requires a subtle and fine approach to leadership that values collective achievements while also recognizing and nurturing individuals' talents and contributions. In such environments, traditional method of recognizing individual achievements like Employee of the Month award or performance bonuses might be less effective or even counterproductive. Instead, recognizing might need to focus more on team achievements, collaborative efforts, and group milestones. While the Law of Jante prioritizes the group over the individual, it's important not to let this suppress innovation and creativity. Encouraging open dialogue, idea sharing, and collaborative problem solving can help ensure that individual creativity contributes positively to the group goals. Talent management in an environment influenced by the Law of Jante can be challenging. It involves creating pathways for individual growth and development that align with the group effort. This might mean providing opportunities for team-based learning and development or focusing on group performance metrics. Management practices in such setting must be adapted to ensure that they don't inadvertently suppress individual potential. This might involve adopting a more inclusive approach to decision making, where everyone's opinion and idea are valued and considered. The key to successfully navigating the Law of Jante in business is finding the right balance between promoting individuals' achievements and maintaining a strong, cohesive team culture. It's about creating an environment where individual talents are valued and celebrated for the benefit of the group's goals. For businesses operating in international contexts or with diverse teams, understanding and adapting to different cultural norms, including those similar to the Law of Jante, is crucial. This requires cultural sensitivity and a willingness to adopt management and recognition practices to see different cultures coexist. The Law of Jante highlights a cultural preferences for groups' achievements over individual distinctions. In the business world, these principles can influence everything from leadership and motivation strength to talent management and innovation. Understanding and thoughtfully navigating these principles is crucial for leaders and managers, particularly in culturally diverse environments. It involves setting a balance between encouraging individuals' excellence and maintaining a strong, united team dynamics. The goal is to create an organizational culture where individual talents are celebrated and valued to enrich and advance the collective objectives of the business.